Be honest, do you really like to set your mockups? Because I hate mockups. How many countless hours do you spend inserting each individual image into each mockup, resizing it, saving it, and repeating the process over and over and over? Not even designing, not even being creative, just production. It is the most brain-melting part. And you're sat there at 1 AM thinking, this shop is meant to make me money. Why does it feel like a second full-time job? So what did I do? I built something to fix just that. If you're a seller on Etsy or even a photographer trying to sell their prints, this is a tool you'll need in order to sell your creativity without the grind. I built a Photoshop script that does all the boring work for me, where it replaces, resizes, and saves the mockup in bulk. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how seamless this thing works and how much time it saved me. It's actually mind-blowing. If you would like the batch mockup tool, which contains 6 mockups, a detailed guide, and the batch tool itself, links will be down below, and you can also get 20% off with the code BATCH. So before we begin going into the tutorial as well, I just wanted to explain the point of what is a Photoshop script. So as you can see by the definition here, a Photoshop script is a text file containing a series of commands written in languages like JavaScript, AppleScript, or VBScript that automates repetitive, complex, or conditional tasks. It's essentially a set of step-by-step instructions that's coded and given to Photoshop in order to follow a specific sequence in order to enact specific actions. In this case, I've used the script to actually help me with the whole process of batch editing a bunch of images into mockups. Okay guys, so here we are on my desktop where I'm going to show you how this all works. So the first main important thing is once you purchase the product, you're going to get a folder which is going to contain some mockups as well as the script and some instructions. So the first most important thing is that you need to locate the scripts folder in the Photoshop application. So as you can see here on this window, I've navigated through the applications folder into Photoshop 2025. I found the presets folder and then the scripts folder. And there's already a bunch of scripts in here that have already been included. But then I've dragged in the script that I've created called the batch mockup export, which you need to drag into this folder in order for it to populate on Photoshop. So in a Windows computer as well, you should be able to find a very similar folder in your computer. After you put it in this script folder, you'll then open up Photoshop. And it's important that you do restart Photoshop in order for this script to populate. From here, you don't even need to load any presets or anything up. All you need to do is just go into the file folder, go into the file drop-down menu, go into the scripts drop-down menu, and you'll see the batch mockup export script. This tab will pop up where you'll want to choose the folder that has your test images. So I'm going to choose this folder here. It's important to note that you need to do portrait and landscape mockups separately. So only a folder with portrait images, only a folder with landscape images, and also the same for when you're choosing the folders for the mockup. So it knows how to resize them appropriately. It's also important to note if you are using any mockups with 2 or more frames, then you need to label the images in alphabetical order for how you want them to be placed in the image. And if there's say 4 images and each mockup has 2 frames, then it's going to insert A and B into mockup 1, and then C and D also into mockup 1, and then proceed to the next mockup. And also the same for mockups with 4 images. So I'm going to choose that. I'm going to choose the folder with 1 frame mockups, and these are the mockups that I'll provide for free with the script as well. So choose that. Then you choose the folder that you want to export into. So we're going to choose this finish folder on my desktop. And then you can just choose the format and the quality as well. I also really wanted to emphasize this point as I've only added this more recently, but there's now a new drop-down layer in the batch mockup setup tab, which is the layer order top to bottom or bottom to top. The reason why this is important is because particularly for multi-frame mockups, so mockups that have 2 or more frames, they can be designed in different ways in which certain layers of the frames go from top to bottom or bottom to top. And I'll show you what that means. So for example, in this mockup that I've bought from an Etsy seller, you can see that on the layers here, it goes right, center, left, from top to bottom. So obviously it means the right frame, then the middle frame, then the left frame. Why that's important is because if you are importing your images into these multi-frame mockups, then that tab, top to bottom, bottom to top, is going to dictate how it's going to be inserted. Generally, when you do make Photoshop mockups, you will start from the background and then work your way across, left, center, right. But some mockups work the other way around. So that's why I created this little drop-down menu in order for you to be able to choose which way round it is. So it's going to insert from either top to bottom or bottom to top. In most cases, for most mockups, it would generally be layer order from bottom to top, because that's how they're generally made. But if you are dealing with any mockups that go from top to bottom, that's an option for you to change that as well. So really keep that in mind and just play around and see what works first. Press next. It will show you what it's going to do and how many images it's going to export. Press start. And then the progress bar will appear behind this tab. So all you need to do is drag this down and then you'll see it. And you'll also see that it populates in the background as well. So you can see the progress. Then this tab will appear where it shows it's been exported, and it will also prompt you to open the export folder as well. So as you can see here, all the mockups have been inserted perfectly and fitting into each frame no matter what size it is. And that is that. Just as easy and convenient as that, and it has saved me so much time with inserting these images into each of these mockups and resizing them. And I didn't include any landscape images once again because those will be in a separate folder, but I just wanted to show you that it does resize it into a landscape shape as well. But obviously you just need to put them in a separate folder to resize them appropriately. So these are the mockups that I am providing for free with the script as well. Okay, so I'm just going to also quickly demonstrate how we can use this for multiple images. So you're going to click on that batch script again, and we're going to have the A, B, C, D images, which are labeled in alphabetical order in which you want them to be inserted. So then we're going to click the folder with the mockups, and then we're going to choose the same folder to export it in. Then we can click OK, open the folder. So it has imported them into the correct mockups. And it's important to note, however, that I put these other mockups in here to demonstrate with you as well. With some mockups, they are a strange size, and obviously your images may not fit that dimension exactly. So one limitation of this script is that it can't relocate the image to where you want it to be if the mockup size is quite a weird shape. It can only fit to the desired measurements, but it is unable to reposition because that's obviously a personal preference and depends on the image size as well as the mockup size. If any of that didn't really make sense or it's a bit confusing, there is an information document that comes with the product as well, which goes through all of those instructions as well as anything you might want to know. Once you have that set up, however, and you use this script, it's going to save you countless hours of inserting, resizing, and saving every single image for every single mockup. And trust me, it's going to be worth it. If you want to grab this product, which includes the script, 6 free mockups, as well as a detailed guide, there is a 20% off code as well as links in the description down below. And that's it. I hope that this tool will save you countless hours of grinding away and that it will help you keep your sanity. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and share this message around. I'm sure a lot of other sellers out there would love this tool. So get out there, get creating, and continue selling. Until the next video, see ya.